Vous êtes prêts pour votre leçon de français? Alors, allons-y! Let's see in this video expressions and idiomatic expressions too requiring the word why. It is not the letter here we are speaking about, it is the word. So let's see. This word, little word, why, usually is a pronoun. So what does it mean? It replaces a noun in a sentence. This noun comes after the preposition a. With an example is of course clearer. Je vais à Paris. So here the noun is Paris and our preposition a is here. So if we want now to replace this noun Paris using a pronoun, in French it will be this word why. So j'y vais is the translation of I go there. Je vais à Paris, j'y vais. But it's not always like that, as we said, because we've got some idiomatic expressions. We are going to see expressions like je m'y connais, il ne s'y attendait pas, il faudra t'y faire, elle n'y est pour rien, ça y est, c'est-tu pas gentil? So let's start with the first one. The meaning is to know well, to have a good knowledge of something. So the question of this girl is, tu t'y connais en ordi? So have you got any knowledge in computer? Do you know well computer? Tu t'y connais en ordi? And the guy say, oui, je m'y connais. Yes, I have a good knowledge of it. I know well. Oui, je m'y connais. So here we use the expression s'y connaître, and the meaning is to know well something. S'y connaître. Oui, je m'y connais. It is in computer, but it could be anything else. He did not expect it. Another expression. So, il a reçu son cadeau. Did he receive his present? Il a reçu son cadeau. Oui, il ne s'y attendait pas. So, yes, he did not expect it. Il ne s'y attendait pas. So here, the word why is il ne s'attendait pas à son cadeau. So of course there is the preposition à. But when you want just to answer a question and not to repeat the same word, the word cadeau here, you can use the pronoun il ne s'y attendait pas. You can say if it's for you, if it's the present is for you, oh merci, je ne m'y attendais pas, c'est gentil. Je ne m'y attendais pas. And in spoken French, je m'y attendais pas. Je m'y attendais pas. Oh merci, c'est gentil. Oh, je m'y attendais pas. To get used to it, another expression. This dog is fed up with his food. Je n'aime pas les croquettes. I don't like dog food. Je n'aime pas les croquettes. And the answer is, il faudra t'y faire. You will have to get used to it. Il faudra t'y faire. And you can use this expression for anything. For example, you say, now I have to go to work on foot. And the answer could be, oh, il faudra t'y faire. You'll have to get used to it. Il faudra t'y faire, mon gars. C'est pas grave. Ready? Here, this girl say, ça y est. It's a question. Ça y est? And the meaning is, are you ready? Ça y est? Ça y est? And the answer here in this case is non. Complètement fatigué. Ça y est? Non. Nothing to do? Well, c'est lui le coupable. J'en suis sûr. He is the guilty. I'm sure. And the answer here is non. Il n'y est pour rien. Non. He has nothing to do with it. And here it's a translation of with it. In this case, we use the word why. Il n'y est pour rien. If something happened during the day and somebody want to know who, you can say yourself, non, 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 je n'y suis pour rien. Ah non, ce n'est pas moi. It's not me. Je n'y suis pour rien. I have nothing to do with it. Let's go. So here we are going to see two expressions. The first one is again, ça y est, but here the meaning, it will be something like, that's it, I'm ready. Ça y est, je suis prête. It's not a question here. And the guy say, moi aussi, so am I. On y va, let's go, on y va. So here we've got our second why, on y va. Ça y est, on y va. Here I am, it's an expression similar to the English one. Tu viens? Are you coming? And you don't want, so non, j'y suis, j'y reste. Here I am, here I stay. Non, 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 j'y suis, j'y reste. Forget it. Don't think about it. So, these two girls are phoning to each other. The first one say, tu seras chez toi à 7 heures. You will be home at 7 p.m. And the answer is, n'y compte pas. N'y compte pas. N'y compte pas, the meaning is forget it. Don't even think about it. N'y compte pas. If someone, for example, asks money, you say, do you have 5 euros? And you can also say, alors là, n'y compte pas. Forget it. Don't even think about it. N'y compte pas. Tu n'auras rien. You will have nothing. N'y compte pas. I get it. It's an idiomatic expression. The meaning is I understand it. I get it. So, tu comprends maintenant. Do you understand now? And the answer is oui, j'y suis maintenant. In this context, the expression j'y suis means I understand it. Of course, in another context, the translation could be I am there. J'y suis. But here, the meaning is I understand. Ah, d'accord, j'y suis maintenant. So you can use this expression to say, yes, I understand now. J'y suis. Here I am. To be there, well, the pronoun. Il n'était pas chez lui hier. He wasn't at home yesterday. And you say, si, il y était. Il y était. So here, it's the proper pronoun why. Il y était. Chez lui, à la maison. Si, il y était, bien sûr. More expressions like vas-y, entre. Somebody is knocking at the door and you say vas-y, entre because you know who is it. So, vas-y, entre. Go on in. On n'y voit rien ici. On n'y voit rien. Means we can't see a thing. Mais on n'y voit rien ici. Allume la lumière. Turn the light on. On n'y voit rien. We can't see a thing. Je n'y manquerai pas. Je n'y manquerai pas. It's a polite expression in this context. Someone says to you, say hello to Peter. And your answer is, I certainly will. And to translate I certainly will, in French you say, je n'y manquerai pas. Bien sûr, je n'y manquerai pas. Of course, I certainly will. Je n'y manquerai pas. Okay? So, we have just seen some expressions, idiomatic expressions requiring the word why in French. They are very common, so you can learn them and use them. Bon, ben voilà, hein? C'est fini. Alors, au revoir, à bientôt et bon français!